So Nifty opened gap up today, and Raj Express is already given a short entry. We are expecting a little of retracement. We are expecting until this trend line. Overall, the market is bearish. Let's see how the international market is performing today. Till yesterday late night, international market was in positive zone. Hope it remains that way. Yeah. So okay. So Dow ended flat. Nasdaq was 0.4% up. I think the rest. Europe was positive 0.4 to 0.7%. And today, Far East has been very positive. Nikkei is 0.5% up. So far, so good. I think except our market, Nifty 50 is 0.12% up, Nifty Bank is 0.6% down. And that is to the fact that RBI has already reduced the repo rate. So that always impacts the bank. And RBI has also instructed them to pass on the benefit to clients very immediately. Most of the time, they take few months to pass that on. Okay, looking at option chain of this morning. This morning we have almost 0.6 as PCR, and at 10,900, 5 lakh new contracts have been added. So that's good part. 10 lakh 9,000 and 10 lakh 9,000, 10 lakh 8,000 new contracts added, 10 lakh 7,000. There are 3 strikes at 10 lakh 8,000. The LTP is 11 rupees. On the call side, 11,200, 11,100, too far off. 11,100, 11,000. The last traded price 1.65, so not to consider. The most of calls are written at ATM, and ATM is at 10,900. So it seems to be very crucial level. 10,800 to 10,900 is the price band where Nifty may end up today. So now, since we know the level 10,800, this was the level we were talking about, and 10,900. So Nifty might, yesterday we said a long range. So 11,100 and 11,000, I think might be. So that means 61% not expected to break. It might consolidate within this red candlestick itself. So if somebody wants to short it for, let's say, no, it will not make a right risk to reward ratio. So let's mark our first 10-minute candlestick, which is somewhere here. I think this or this, I don't know, I can't see this. Yeah, so this, and if this is broken downside, it might go further down. This is the level here, 927, 885. This is struggling there. Let's see how it struggles. We'll remain in 5-minute candle first. Yeah. So, though there is a downward movement, the downward movement is very slow. Let's look at. Okay, this seems its continuation pattern. All right, let's look at Bank Nifty, guys. How the Bank Nifty is doing. Yeah, Bank Nifty is, I think, breaking this level. If this level is broken, Bank Nifty has a support at this level. Then at this level, not much scope, guys, and being expiry date 5/27, 5/26. So 150 points, that means around $3,000 on Bank Nifty. Let's see in a 5-minute what's okay. In 5-minute early entry it has given. In 10-minute, anyway it has given the entry. All right, so this also is showing you the short, but only thing is short after this price either is broken. Let's look at the market depth. So market depth shows the selling bids are more at this point of time. Bank Nifty ka, it's been a long time I'm not doing Bank Nifty option chain analysis. Most of the time I'm not trading Bank Nifty these days. Let's look at a daily chart of Bank Nifty. So on a daily chart, if you see Bank Nifty is consolidating at this range, yeah. And this is a strong support level, right? And it might be, I think Bank Nifty has already crossed 61%. Yeah, it's at 76%. So Bank Nifty is weaker than the Nifty, guys. And if this level is broken, the next fall is going to be dangerous. Then the next fall for the Bank Nifty could be as good as 26,750 के आसपास में. 26,000. So we're talking almost 1,000 points in case if the level is not sustained. So in a 10-minute chart, it has already broken this level. So far, I have some positions which I have taken earlier. Right today, I have not taken the positions, guys. This is what I'm carrying right now. Since I started late, my P900 is giving a pain. The rest all are giving me profit. So I'll wait until this level. If this level in Nifty is broken, let's say this level here of 10 minutes. So if this level is broken, that will be the time for me to exit my 900 or it may bounce back. But looking at this, it doesn't seem to be giving me that scope. Nifty future is still this is Nifty spot, guys. Nifty spot versus Nifty future, if you look at, Nifty spot seems to be weaker than Nifty future. It's already what 4.850 में कल का position पे आ गया, right? So market seems to be weaker. However, international market seems to be up. Now, unless until we get some cue from international, from the domestic market, this will become a sideways. जितना ड्रॉप होना था वो 850 is a very strong level. 850 तक ड्रॉप हो गया. From there it may bounce back, and the journey will continue like that. In Singapore Nifty is trading at 890, right? So there is a strength in Singapore Nifty. So let's start opening Singapore Nifty and see if that gives me any hint. Let's see how Singapore Nifty is trading. On a daily, Singapore Nifty has opened gap down and then moved up. Let's look at 15-minute chart. Yeah, so at 15-minute chart, is there a level here? Yes. So there was this level which hit. This was one zone. So it has made a reversal at that zone, and within this itself, in today's chart itself, it was having a double top here. So the bearishness is visible here as well. But overall, if you look at it, has made a flag kind of thing, and the flag is completed at this point. So not much positive vibes from here as well. So today is the expiry day, guys, and you might see some moves because a lot of short coverage would come up. There are people who would have shorted Nifty and they will uplift the Nifty. And that is the only time when you will be able to book your profits or take positions. Right? Your stock, guys, you can share your stock. Thus, SBI is again in short today. Okay, so now if you look at SBI has broken this level, guys. The level what I had marked yesterday, and I said I'm exiting at this point. I exited at almost 294 point, and today it has broken, and on a daily basis it still seems to be weaker. Now, if SBI goes further down, as the banks are seeming to be weak, the next target for SBI could be 272. If that broken, 261. However, still SBI is at a 61%, I'm sure, and you need to be careful with SBI. I'm talking the future of it, guys. No, 61% is broken. Let's go to SBI. Future. SBI spot price. It will be important to measure the SBI spot rather than the future. Yeah, so that was SBI, and there was a parallel channel to it, and that parallel channel is like this, right? So it is exactly at the parallel channel of, right? So it's getting a support here. I'll not hurry to short it today. Once you have done your analysis, it remains there. That's the beauty of this platform. Now, since it has made a W, and this is the lower point of W, and this is the height, it has also completed that move. See that move is completed here, I think here itself. Now, if you look in a weekly chart, maybe there is another double top. I don't know. Let's see. Only on weekly it has not made. What is there is this support level where it's standing today. So you need to be careful, guys. Okay, so this is the level. So on weekly, daily, it's weak but at a support level. Since it is at a support level, little dangerous to trade with it, right? So it's getting consolidated here. Look at Nifty. Nifty has made a hammer in this zone. A little positive sign. It might come back to 910 or so. We look at Mindtree. Let's see what happened to TVS and Maruti, right? We're talking about. After that, we'll cover Mindtree. So TVS is here. You had a Praj Express entry. That entry continues, and since it was at a lower band, it opened gap up, and then again it's coming down from there. So it's a short entry for TVS. Let's also look at Maruti. I think Maruti also remains where it was, making the same kind of structure. So Maruti opened gap down. The short entry continues in Maruti as well. So this is a 10-minute intraday chart for Maruti, guys. And we had seen in option chain yesterday that it was already weak. Somewhere that is the, now as the time progresses, you would see when Maruti, if market does not go up, Maruti doesn't follow Nifty. When the time progresses, you will see it is coming in the channel, and your your target 1, target 2 are followed within the same channel. Right? So if you have studied well where you are in the market, then you get good guidance in what to trade, how to trade, and all. So we said yesterday your currency can fall. See the currency, there is a fall. Okay, and still further it will fall. Look at a daily chart. If you remember, we said it's reaching the top, so there will be a fall here. And if there is a fall, market will go up. So market opened gap up, and there is a still fall until 70.84. So the channels work, guys. You need to get mastery over your channels. We saw the daily channel. There is a 15-minute channel, and it is following both the channels. Right? Are you able to see that part? How simply the channels are very effective. That's the option I'm in, and let me see. Option. This is the one only option which is giving me kind of, okay, so this is the option I need to further short because it has given me short entry here. Okay, that means my Nifty may be thinking of, right? So it has made a hammer in this place. and it might bounce back a little, not much, but then I have a channel within which it will bounce back. When it bounces back, you will see this Nifty of, I'm in this Nifty as well. Report now. I'm in Nifty P 900 of yesterday, 700 of yesterday, 11. These all are my yesterday's positions, guys. Okay. And except this Nifty which has gone up, which is now going to come down because it has given me already entry. It has made a inverted hammer at this place. So, and there is a channel. And even if it comes to 29 today, where it went up to 26, it will give me good profit. Look at how the bandwidth is moving. 1,17,13,000. 2,55,000. Okay, buying it seems to be more. Okay, so let's see what happens at this level. That's the level where I may exit otherwise. All right, so Maruti in short. Let's see what is the bandwidth. Okay, Maruti more buying bids. Now let's look at Mindtree after. Mindtree is a very volatile stock, guys. There is no assurance of Mindtree. This is one of the reasons I generally don't trade Mindtree. A professional will always avoid volatile stocks because there is no, you can't predict anything about Mindtree. And also, Mindtree is in news because of Siddhartha. Siddhartha has sold his stake to L&T. You should also be knowing what has happened in the market because that also affects. Although I think Siddhartha's death may not affect Mindtree much, but still there will be emotions attached, right? So, irrespective of how this is, at least we can analyze Mindtree. Let's see on a weekly basis. So it's a very erratic. Okay, this is Mindtree, guys. So if I look at a monthly chart of Mindtree, it's in perfect downtrend. In fact, it remains a head and shoulder in the monthly chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. On a weekly chart, also, if you see the monthly chart is very much valid. Now, on a weekly chart, you can also see much closer channel. So there would be different kind of analysts, guys, who would be looking at the price factors and the price movements and the future movement based upon different tools. Okay. And my way of looking at the price is looking at the channels it has made. So this might be one more channel which is, yeah. So let me complete one task, then I'll come back to Tata Steel. My mouse is not supporting my decisions, it seems, today. And I don't know why my mouse is angry. So this is more or less again in the downtrend, right? And when this kind of big moves are there, guys, technical both कम काम करते हैं वहाँ पे, ठीक है? And you can also see the falls are very sharp, going up is very slow. So this is basically short coverage, right? Or speculative positions here. Then also see in a daily. When I look at the daily chart, so Now I cannot say that this is a channel. Okay, ये is a less like a channel because in a smaller time frame it is really not which is what is mattering for this. That's why I said when it is a volatile stock उसमें technical studies लगाना थोड़ा भारी गिरता है. कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लगाने का, but then I would still not, go as per this. So this channel has been broken on that way Mindtree has given a long entry on. Yeah, but your RSI is still not above the 60. MACD is below 0, and this is also in overbought zone. So looking at this, I will follow Praj Express, but it is above the pivot. Right. 10-minute ka chart. Now, what will happen in such kind of stock? It may not follow your studies at all. आपका कभी भी तोड़ के, because volatile है ना, कभी भी भाग जाएगा. Some stocks don't even follow the technical studies. This one, Mindtree, is like that. We have observed for many years. So right now, this is the channel. Short entry here. Praj Express has also given you short entry. If you want, you can take the short entry. But I would not trade this. Make sense, Venkat? Clarity mila? Buying selling bids are more or less the same, but this could be short trade here. All right, let's look at Nifty back. Nifty has moved a little up and it might go. Now, that was a 15-minute candlestick, and there is again within that itself there might be another channel. So Nifty, if goes up, can follow this channel guys now, and ये channel टूटेगा तो ये channel. All is game of channels. See, that's the 10-minute channel for Nifty. Right, so this is the 10-minute channel for Nifty, and if you look at a 15-minute channel for Nifty, then there is a 30-minute channel for Nifty. They all indicate downside moves. Let's look at what. And Nifty is already in a good mood today. Yet I have not taken the position, guys. And what I'm now thinking of before I get into Tata Steel, to look at where is my option chain going and what is my premium here, so that if I need, I can write some good options. Okay, so 11,130 paisa, 10,900 are the maximum calls, and the call is at a 15 rupees, 12 ka loss already hai, right? So let me go to my chart and look at options. Nifty 10,900 PE, 10 Nifty CE, 8 August CE. So अगस्त के P या C में अगर देखेंगे तो कुछ खास दम नहीं रह गया है. There's some P's, C's, they've become more or less useless. So let me remove them. 300 भी useless हो गया है, 250 भी useless हो गया है, उसके ऊपर ये भी useless हो गया है, ये भी useless हो गया है. 11,100 also has become useless, right? Now CE 14 का 11,100, 14 has got some content in it, right? So it's a 20 rupees. So let's say because I need premium which can go down, right? And this is one premium, but it is not of 8 but of 14, because tomorrow onwards this will be more active and there is more money. What I'm doing is I'm writing this. Right now I'm writing only one put, one call, because I expect it not to go beyond that, and I'll keep on increasing my positions as and when this goes. Right now my PE has started giving me profit. My focus today, see these P700 and C11,100 will guaranteedly give me money. Okay, my main concern is this P10,900, because this P10,900 is of today. That's P10,900 is of today, and it is at this level. If this level is broken, it can go further down, and right now it is showing the sign of going down. That means Nifty is trying to break this part of it. Why this is? Let's look at the bandwidth. 375, 396. So again, Nifty has entered that 10-minute first candlestick. It has become a sideways. Our job is to take advantage of this situation. My positions, if you look at this P are good numbers, so I would love to reduce them as and when. So square of 175. So I'll reduce at, let's say, one lot at 34. I'll keep on booking my profits. Square of another 75. At 34. That means 150. I have to exit my position, so I need to go in a 5-minute chart and see how Nifty is behaving here. It's important for me to see that part of it, right? And a 5-minute, this is already in a overbought. So what I'll do, yeah. So my two lots are already exited, and now 750 and 750, right? So I'm properly hedged now. No, sorry, still this is also P. So I'll book profit square of another 150. I'll book at 34 again, no problem. Or I need to book it at 33. But it doesn't seem to be going up from here, right? So I don't even mind booking 150 at 35. My overall view is, so they will take care whenever the price goes to that level. My overall view is bearish, but within those bearish modes, it will still go up, down. So I'll keep on executing my lot sizes there. Okay, now let's look at have I got my other position what I placed order for? Okay. This lot I was already having, so where it got added, guys? And I'm wondering. All right. So uh, that's come to 33. So that means I would have got few more positions out, right? And the rest of the position I'll book at full profit. So Nifty has jumped from here, guys. I think I exited some position early. तो मार्केट का कोई भरोसा नहीं गाइस, कभी भी किधर भी भाग सकती है मार्केट. So what I've done now, I have bought C 11,100 a lot, and my P's are anyway giving me money. And at this point of time, I will buy more C's, exit the P's. Where when this 10,927 or this whenever this is catching, reversing from the. So I'm on a 5-minute chart. Let me get into the 10-minute chart. Time is already now, right? Yeah. So it is reaching this point where my channel is there and my Bollinger Band has not opened its mouth. So the scope is very less for it to go further up. And I'm sure even my, okay. Irrespective of that, this part is closed below it, so it will further come down. Okay. Although Nifty is not going much up. Now let's look at SBI. Yeah, I was saying SBI thoda careful raho because it's at a very crucial juncture. It may remain sideways, but it will get a support today. टाटा स्टील को डेली में देखेंगे अगर रिवर्सल होने का चांस है क्या यहाँ से. मेटल ऑटो सबकी बैंड बजी पड़ी गाइस. आई थिंक डेली चार्ट भी टाटा स्टील का देखना बेकार है, वीकली चार्ट देख सकते हैं. And on a weekly chart, Tata Steel is at 61% maybe. Even 61% is broken. So the next level is this 356. So another, it may not fall today itself, but then this is 355, 356 level for Tata Steel. That's what Nifty P is doing, guys. So that means market is going a little up. So you need to observe at this kind of spaces, right? See, these are the moments which you need to observe. Like exactly at this place, what is happening? What is your opinion about it? Whether you can recognize the reversal at this point of time. Money is there. Right now, people might be thinking it will go up. Possibly, yes. The strategy is simple. Irrespective of market goes up or down, you should be able to make money. And at the end of the day, you should be able to make more money because you recognize reversals. Right? Now, so ये जो भी मैंने 10 मिनट में चैनल बनाया, ट्रेंड लाइन बनाई, वो तो टूट गई. हटा दो उसको. ये जो 30 मिनट वाली चैनल लाइन है उसको फॉलो करेंगे. यहाँ पे देखेंगे कि हो क्या रहा है. सी दिस 10 मिनट का जो एक हमने रेजिस्टेंस बनाया था, दैट इज स्टॉपिंग इट राइट नाउ. सो आपको ये लेवल्स आइडेंटिफाई करने में महीनों सालों लग जाते हैं गाइस. Can you see now it is very hard for it to cross 10,927 level. So is true for this. They are in exactly opposite direction. So guys, I have booked my profit in 2 PEs, around 35k, and now I've got only C, because I'm clear at this point of time the market will turn around. So far we've already booked 35,000 rupees, and there's more in the kitty, and we have taken some new positions. We made a stop loss here. We'll continue for rest of the day. Let me take a break now. Thank you very much for watching the video. To get more details on technical analysis, you can also visit our page on a Facebook, where we have kept the reports in detail along with the charts. You can also get latest information by subscribing to our YouTube channel. And yes, while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on our latest videos. To learn about stocks, derivatives, commodities, forex, trading, investing, or technical analysis or fundamental analysis, you can request for videos on the subject of your choice in the comment box. Thank you once again for watching and liking the video. Please share the video with your friends and family members who can also be benefited from quality knowledge and analysis. Good luck, happy trading, and happy investing.